Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are returning. Today I thought it would be fun to create some more circle doodles. I've done this before on my channel. I'll link that down below if you want to see it. Today we're going to focus just on animals, and I'm just going to kind of just doodle, just kind of a chill and doodle time. So what we'll do is we'll do essentially a doodle for each circle. I've got enough to do 2 pages worth. If you want to use the same kind of worksheet that I'm going to be working on, the link for that will be in the description as well. You're welcome to grab that. If you do create doodles with it, please do, share them on your social media and tag me. You can find me on Instagram most of the time. I'm also on TikTok, but not as much. But you can tag me on either of those places. Those links will be below as well. Or you can always join our Discord server and share your creations there. But I will talk to you at the end of the video when we're done. And until then, keep doodling. Alright guys, that is the end. I hope you enjoyed all of the different animals. Feel free to let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I don't know which one's my favorite. Maybe that koala. The only thing I do know is that this platypus, I don't know if anyone would know that's a platypus by looking at it. It almost looks like something with like a real big tongue, which I'm also kind of there for. But I don't know if it looks like a platypus, but that was the plan. I do think it's cute though, whatever it is. It also kind of looks like a mushroom. Don't think about it too hard anyway. Some of these, I'm not gonna lie, I had to actually look up the animal to be like, what does it even look like? Which is why like the hippo I went back to, because I was like, wait, there should be something more about that, you know? And then there's also just some things that I didn't do that I could have. I did do, you know, multiple cats or whatever, and I tried to give them each different looks and things like that. So like I did do a couple of different cats, but I could have done like 5 or more. Same with the dogs. A lot of times it's just about the shaping and kind of going from there. Same with the bear, like I did one bear there, but the panda is also a bear, and I separated the ears, whereas on the panda I might have put the ears closer, things like that. Same with the bunny, that could have been separated. I could have given them bigger ears. I struggled with what else to give it, so I gave it a bow. But yeah, for the most part, I just take key features and try and make it look, you know, put those into it. Like, so for the parrot, the cockatoo, it's got the like the crown and things like that. For the kiwi, it's very fluffy, things like that. So yeah, that's what I did. Sometimes, you know, when it comes to like birds, for example, like this bird could easily be a chicken, which is why I gave this one like a little nest to sit in. Same with the duck. A duck can kind of look like a lot of birds, so I gave it a little pool floaty to try and get the point across. Even the cow, as I was drawing it, I was like, is this starting to look too much like a pig? I don't think it did. I think it, you know, you can tell the difference, especially when they're together. And I did try to kind of change up even the positioning of the face, things like that. What I will say is, yes, I use a circle, and yes, I could have used a circle completely, just done a circle for like, say, this deer's head. But I tend to never use a just straight up circle. It's the starting point, so you kind of build off of that. I almost always, which I think you would have noticed, kind of shorten that circle at least, kind of just chop off the bottom of it. So you can see that there. But yeah, so that's the whole thing. I did, what is that, 5 by 5, so that's like 50. So I did 50 different animals. I probably could have done more. So if you would like to see another of these, feel free to let me know in the comment section below what kind of animal you want to see. Let me know what your favorite animal is, just in general. Mine is the okapi. If you don't know what that is, it is the African unicorn, and it's amazing. Look it up. Yeah, so that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you will see me back in another one. And until then, guys, keep doodling and have a great day. Bye!